Yo guys, what is going on? Justin here, and today we're going to be getting into the OVO Bape drop list for 2021. So with that being said, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let's get straight into today's video. Kicking things off, guys, let's not waste no time. Let's hop straight into the drop list. We got the white t-shirt with the credit card, OVO Bape credit card logo. Very sick. I do like the 1-800 Bape at the bottom. I think it's a cool t-shirt for 118 bucks, and they're actually using that design for the tags for the entire collection. So if you pick up a hoodie, a crew neck, a t-shirt, a long sleeve, it's gonna come with a tag with that logo on it. Very sick, and in my opinion, you can't go wrong with a t-shirt like this. They also have this graphic on a crew neck as well, but personally I do like the t-shirt version more. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you like this graphic, I think they're going to be throwing it on quite a few things. I'm sure retail will be around $250. I'd rather much pick up that t-shirt for sure. Moving right along, guys, we have the Ape Never Kill Owl, which I absolutely love that saying. It's usually Ape Never Kill Ape for those who are unfamiliar with Bape. That kind of rhymed. Anyways, the front of this t-shirt, long sleeve, whatever you want to call it, I'm just not a huge fan. I like the OVO with the star, but I just don't like the graphic that's inside of it. I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys think. And even the color red, if it comes in black or white or gray, I definitely think it would look a lot better. And this one is 11,000 yen and the t-shirt was 8,000, so I'm sure it's only gonna be $20-30 more as a long sleeve. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I think it's pretty cool with Ape Never Kill Owl. Now the hoodie, not bad. It's pretty simple, nothing too crazy going on, just October's very own Bape head logo, and then the R on the back, just like last year we had the R on the pocket. Yeah, we had it on the pocket. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to be paying $300 for this hoodie, that's for sure. And to go with the hoodie, we have the matching pants. This is the first time we're seeing pants from OVO Bape. Last year we didn't have any pants or shorts. This time we have pants. I'm not too sure if Bape pants fit. It doesn't look like the material and the fit of these sweatpants look very good. But again, for 2,300 yen, I think that's going to be in the realms of $300. The pants just don't look worth it. For that small logo right there, yeah, it's definitely going to be a big pass, and you could probably find this for under retail when this does come out. And just below the pants, we have the OVO Bape ashtray. That looks really sick. I'm hoping we get some more accessories out of OVO and Bape, but this ashtray is a good start, because I think having this on your table, having this on a coffee table or something, just adds that extra pop, extra flair. I think it's going to be around $60, $50-$60, and at that price point I'm sure a lot of people are going to buy it. And last but not least, we have the Baby Melo t-shirt. Again, this is not for adults, this is for kids sizing only. I really do like the graphic on this year's Baby Melo t-shirt. I do have the one from last year as well, just because the graphics on them are so sick, and I kind of wish they put it on the full-size adult t-shirts. So that is it, guys, for the OVO Bape drop list so far. Now I say so far because they always like to throw in 1, 2, 3 different things from the magazine drop list towards the rollout of the actual drop. So maybe we'll see another hoodie or another long sleeve. If you look closely into the description, you can see the lineup includes reversible items and accessories. Key thing, reversible items. I don't think we see any reversible items, maybe other than the pants, because I could see no drawstrings. But reversible items, who knows? And I'm pretty sure there's not any reversible items shown on this page. So hopefully they throw in some, maybe a reversible jacket. That would look pretty cool. And as well as the new video this weekend of the Hidden Hills CLB hoodie, which I'm probably going to be the first person to do unboxing and review on. So stay posted to that. I'm so excited. It comes in tonight. So that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys for tuning in to today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Peace.